Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest desktop. But before anything else, Pinterest does not have a built-in dark mode toggle on desktop. You still have your options. First is through Windows or Mac OS settings, and second is browser extension. So first, let's do the Windows setting. What you're going to do here is you have to go to your start menu, and then this time you have to search for settings. So let me go to the start menu, type settings, and then click open. Here on your settings, you have to look for personalization. So you have to click personalization right here. And then here on personalization, you have to look for themes or colors. It depends on the version. So for me, for my Windows, I have to look for colors. And then here on colors, I have to tap on the color section and then look for dark mode. So tap on color. Now choose your color. You have to click this and then choose dark. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will see the result right away. It's the same thing if you go to any website. It could be like web browser. If you go to your Pinterest, then you will see that you are using the dark mode version. Now, if this method didn't work, the second option is you have to go to any browser and then type extension or Google Web Store extension. Here you have to look for extensions like Dark Reader, Night Eye, Pinterest Dark Theme, like Chrome extension. Now go to extensions and you can pin this one. And if you go back to your Pinterest and you have to click this Pinterest Dark Theme extension, on the theme list, you have to click or tap on black. So these are the two ways and how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest desktop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.